Have you ever signed a mortgage and thought that that was the document that makes you owe money? Here's the truth. The mortgage itself isn't the promise to repay. There's another document that actually holds the power. So let's break it down. When you take out a loan to buy real estate, you're actually signing two critical legal documents, not just one. The first one, that is called the mortgage. It is a security instrument. It doesn't contain the promise to pay, but what it does is to protect the lender in case you default. Think of it as a document that puts the house in chains, giving the lender the right to foreclose if you stop making those monthly payments. It basically says, if I don't keep my promise, you can take the property instead. The second document, that's called a promissory note. This is your actual promise to repay the loan. Inside the note, you'll find the key loan details, the loan amount, the interest rate, and the payment schedule showing how and when you're expected to pay it back. In short, the promissory note is the IOU, and the mortgage is the here is what you can do, what you can take if I don't pay. As a mortgage note investor, these two documents are everything. The note gives you the right to receive payments, and the mortgage gives you the security to enforce that right if something goes wrong along the way. Understanding the difference between the two documents is essential if you want to invest like a bank. If you have questions about this, how it works, want me to explain something in more details, just drop your questions in the comments below. I would love to help.